tap. Here's Satira Gunatilaka and Satira scores.
ජීවිතය ගැන ගන්න ඕන හොඳම තීරණය.
Swiss Tech Skim Coat finish එකට හොඳම කෙනා.
2025 week 5 and we have 7 games played around the country and we are here at CRNFC grounds in London Place where St. Joseph's College will be hosting Sri Sumangala College Kandy. Here are the team cards for today's game. Here are the visitors. Rashmila Dilshan, Desandu Sahas and Mohammad Akram will be the front row forwards. Achila Gamage and Tarusha Teekshan will be the second row forwards and the loose forwards will be Lakbindu Denwan, Tarusha Dilshan and Yasiru Tiwanka.
Lined up for this crucial encounter and the host St. Joseph's College will form this way. Temit Teunila Minduka Pereira, Isuru Chaturanga, Himesh Gamage. He will play a pivotal role in that pack for St. Joseph's College this evening. Sitangali and Janit Amara Singh, Ashen Kumar and Inosh Silva will form the forwards for St. Joseph's College. And
we are all set to play this crucial first round encounter between St. Joseph's College and Sri Sumangala College, and Brian Fernando will kick things off. And straight away, Sumangala have made an unforced error. Darusha Dilshan, the flanker, dropped the ball. St. Joseph still with possession. Here's the big man, Janit Tamara Singh. Not going to be easy bringing him down. St. Joseph's playing it tight, playing it close with the forwards. And they score early. That's the first Amana Bank try. That's Ashen Kumar.
Number 15.
Bhishma Jayasekara making no mistake from the boot. He adds the 2 points for St. Joseph's College. They'll need to clear things out.
Fine. Go now wide. Set.
Shashika Bandara feeding the scrum for Sri Sumangala. St. Joseph's putting in early pressure. Number 8 breaking off. Number 3 Yasiru Tiwanka, and he's been penalized for holding the ball on. Janit Parasinger takes it quickly and scores another Amana Bank try. That's the second Amana Bank try for St. Joseph's College. Janit Parasinger.
There's a skipper. Makes no mistake once again. Bisects the 2 posts as St. Joseph's College.
Dust here at CRNFC. Here's Bhishma trying to sneak through the Sumangala defense. St. Joseph still with the ball.
Now ruck.
Forwards scoring.
Go.
That's Isuru Chaturanga scoring for St. Joseph's College. The third Amana Bank try. 2 converted, 1 unconverted try. Sri Sumangala yet to break their deadlock. Good run and costly error from St. Joseph's College. Tackling the player without the ball. That's Brian Fernando. St. Joseph's now down to 14 players. St. Joseph's now down to 14 players but still have possession. Bhishma now playing scrum half. Wants to play the territorial game as they're down with a player down. Good collection from Samarakon this time. He holds on to the ball and offloads it. And a penalty for St. Joseph's. Holding on, says referee Aruna Shanta. Penalty.
Indeed, he does. That's
They should be quite happy.
Good.
This time Silva collects and Hamish Gamage joins the maul. St. Joseph still going strong. Nindulka Pereira with the ball. St. Joseph's going really strong in this maul. And he scores. Mindulka Pereira scores the 4th Amana Bank try.
haven't conceded any points, going down to 14 men. And Sri Sumangala College will be kicking themselves, not being able to pounce on it as well. But this time around, face after face, Sri Sumangala College working hard, but inches away are they. Brilliant once again from St. Joseph's,
Number 6.
keeping Sri Sumangala at bay. But this time around, it's Sri Sumangala who get their first Amana Bank try.
Yes, he can. Samarkand converts the try, and that's half time. 27 points to 7 here at CRNFC grounds.
20 points, Sri Sumangala College at the brink of half time. They went over. As you see the half-time score confirmation, St. Joseph's College nevertheless with a healthy lead of 27 points to 7 over Sri Sumangala College. We'll be back with the second half action.
ඉහළ ටෙන්සයිල් ශක්තිය සහ ක්‍රැක් බ්‍රිජිං හැකියාව සමගින් ඔබේ නිවස සියලු ජල කාන්දුවලින් ආරක්ෂා කරගන්න. ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වාශීල්ඩ් 2K waterproofer සීල් කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
They need 3 more converted tries to go past Josephian's score. Here we go, the second half. And Samarkand
Line out.
kicks it. Rashmita gives it to Brian Fernando. He gives it to Bhishma, who tries to go through, and he's still going strong, the Josephian captain. Not easy to bring him down. Good leg work. And they've won a penalty. And Sitanga Lianage
The ruck now.
took a quick tap, and St. Joseph's scores their 5th Amana Bank try.
Brilliant from St. Joseph's. Regulation conversion for Jayasekara as he added the 2 points. It's 34 points to 7.
Silva,
Ruck now. He's back. Back.
St. Joseph still persisting with the forwards.
Finish it. The ruck now.
Mindulka
No,
Pereira
has it. Ruck.
here's the big man Tisat Teunila.
Ruck all away. Blue.
St. Joseph still with the ball. Rashmita gives it to Inosh Silva, and he scores the 6th Amana Bank try for St. Joseph's College.
Regulation 2 points to be added by Bhishma Jayasekara. Makes no mistake this time around as well. St. Joseph's College breached that 40-point mark. It's
Team directed the proceedings. The forwards have done great yeoman work, and here's Kodagoda to Jayasekara. Gunaratna puts in a little kick, and an easy try for Shanil Kakure. Another Amana Bank try. Very good vision from Nathan Gunaratna. He's had good game. Here's Satira.
No, hands out.
Good to see young Kandappa getting some game time off the bench. St. Joseph's,
He scores it. Good try.
and it's a try. That's Janit Marasinghe scoring the 8th Amana Bank try and getting over the 50.
an hour passed in the game. 10 minutes remaining. Bhishma Jayasekara makes no mistake with the boot. So it's 53 points to 7.
Just play.
Janit Marasinghe
No, ruck now.
takes a quick tap. Here's Satira Gunatilaka, and Satira scores for St. Joseph's. Another Amana Bank try.
Encounters as Bhishma Jayasekara makes no mistake this time around as well.
4 minutes. 10 okay.
Bhishma gives it to Chirat Kodagoda. The replacements now. Kandappa gives it to Bhishma.
Line up tight.
Bhishma. Janit Marasinghe gives it to Riyan Jayawardena. He offload it to Tevan Kitnuka. He's had a very injury-plagued season, Kitnuka, and deservedly gets a try under the post.
Work try for St. Joseph's College. Bhishma Jayasekara making no mistake as he converts his 7th conversion. That's the game done and dusted. A demanding win over Sri Sumangala College for St. Joseph's College. 67 points to 7 as Bhishma Jayasekara have perfectly led his troops to victory.
Will be their target when the season returns after a 1-week break.
But come the plate segment, he will play a pivotal role, and these are the key stats from this game between St. Joseph's College and Sri Sumangala College Kandy. 20 tries for St. Joseph's College. Tries did Gallo for the school from Dali Road.
වතුරත් ලීක් වෙලා ස්ලැබ් එකත් ඉවරයි. බලන්නකො දැන් සාලේ කැත. චමරි.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වාශීල් 2K waterproof දැම්මනම් වතුර කාන්දු වෙන්නෙත් නෑ. හිතටත් නිදහස්.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වාශීල් 2K waterproofer සීල් කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා